Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's videos I will show you a drink that you can lose your belly fat. So let's get started and let's see how we can prepare the drink, and you can drink it for a week and see the result. You lose a lot of fat on your belly, generally on your whole body, but mostly on your belly fat. So let's get started. So we will have a drink and we will prepare it, and let's see the what we can add. So we will have the ginger, we will have lemon, cucumber. uh, so we will just like we will prepare it. Ginger is great for metabolism and it's good for belly fat. And then slice the lemon into half and keep it aside. And then cucumber, let's cut the cucumber. And with the cucumber, it's there's a lot of fiber in cucumber, and fiber is very good for our body, and it's helping a lot of us to lose belly fat. So let's take two glass of water and add all the ingredients into it. So ginger, lemon, just like you can see it, squeeze the lemon inside the water. uh, and you can have like uh, any kind of water that you like, if that's like cold or that's like room temperature. Just put it all together, you just blend it, or you just like you can grind it, depend on what you have. And it's a good drink. Just try to use it for a week, not consume a lot of sugars, and you can filter this and put it on your fridge, and you can drink it before bed and see the result. And please leave your comment below on your result.